Now, one thing is going to make this repair even practical is when we painted this bike originally, Vlad was smart enough to buy a quart of paint, so we have enough left over to do it. And we even have a little bit of the touch-up paint that I made. But if we didn't have that paint now and trying to match this, good luck, Charlie. Now today it looks like part of our lucky streak here. We have an absolute beautiful day for painting. Paint should dry up very well. And again, it's such a smart thing when you're going to have especially a track bike. Buy extra paint, and then the day you have to do this. Now, if we had to go down a chard, and they're pitching a no-hitter when it comes to that. But this is a beautiful color blue. It should be a perfect match because it's coming out of the same can that the paint itself came in. This is really a nice color. I don't know if you can see this. Well, you see it when it's out in the sun. This is just a spectacular day for painting. It just couldn't be any better than this. So what we're going to try is 3 coats about 20 minutes apart. That's drying up. And in this temperature, and it's just a perfect day for spraying. Boy, and I remember painting. Every time you paint, you're subject to the weather. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to make the paint just a little bit thinner. I can go a little bit further because I want to get this. See, we're not going to put any clear on this. So I'd like this to be as shiny as possible. I'll just add a little thinner to the paint. The same thing, 3 coats, 20 minutes apart. Now what's going to happen, this is going to have to dry overnight. Then I'll pull off all the backmasking. See if there are any other spots that are just, well, it's a track bike. I think we've really, Vlad, I have to tell you the truth, I missed a few good riding days, believe me. You owe me riding days. Anyway, this is going to be fine. This will be just exactly what he wanted, I think, I hope. And, well, what can I say? Hope you enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends and don't crash. And thanks for watching.